Hi children, in the previous video we discussed the problems from 1 to 5, no? So here in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 6 onwards. Okay, so what is that sixth one? Here x is equals to 4 by 5 whole power minus 2. 4 by 5 whole power minus 2. Again negative power given. So negative power given means we have to take its reciprocal. So 4 by 5 becomes as 5 by 4 and here power becomes positive. Okay, that is a whole square divided by here 1 by 4 whole square. So write it as it is 1 by 4 whole square. Then we need to find that x inverse, which means 1 by x value we need to find out. 1 by x value we need to find out. So here x is equals to, we can write this one as 5 square by 4 square, and here division is there, no? So division becomes as multiplication only, no? Why? Because here this is a fraction as well as the denominator also fraction only. So that's why it becomes into 4 by 1 whole square. We can write this one as 4 square. Okay, so 4 square and 4 square gets cancelled. So x is equals to 5 square. 5 square means 25. So this is the value of x. Now what we have to find out? 1 by x value we need to find out. So at the place of x just write down 25. So 1 by x is equals to 1 by 25. Is it clear to you? Now, but here options not given directly, so we have to simplify these all options. So this is 4 ones, 4 50s, 200. 4 ones, 4 50s. So here option is equals to 50, no? So this is wrong one. Next, here it is 8 ones and here 8 2 16, 8 5s 40. So 8 25s 200. Okay, so here it is equals to 25. So this is also wrong option. Why? Because here our answer is 1 by 25. So that's why B also wrong. So 2 ones, 200s. So here answer is equals to 100. So that's why this is also wrong one only. Now the last one, here 8 ones and here 8 25s. So option D we got that 1 by 25. So 1 by x is equals to 1 by 25. So which option is correct here? Yes, option D is correct. Okay, so just observe the question here. Here we got that x value. Next we need to find that 1 by x value. But here options are directly not given. So here we have to simplify that options also. After simplification of each and every option, here we have to check that is that answer we got it, those two are equal or not. Okay, if that is equal then that is answer. If those two are not equal then that is not an answer. Okay, so here sixth one completed. Next let us see that seventh question. So what is that seventh one here? This is also easy only, no? So what is that? 8 by 3 whole power 2x plus 1 into 8 by 3 whole power 5. So which is equals to 8 by 3 whole power x plus 2. Then the value of x is, okay, now this is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So that is in that form only, no? So simplify that first. 8 by 3 into 8 by 3 whole power 2x plus 1 plus 5. Okay, so which is equals to 8 by 3 whole power x plus 2. Okay, so here as the bases are equal then their exponents must be equal, no? So that's why here 2x plus 1 plus 5 is equals to 2x plus 6, which is equals to x plus 2. So as the bases are equal then their exponents must be equal. So here 2x, when you transpose that x term into that LHS, it will become as a minus x, which is equals to 2 plus 6 become as minus 6. So which is equals to 2x minus x. X is equals to minus 4. So we got here x is equals to minus 4. So which option is correct? Yes, option D is correct. Okay, so let us see that the next one. Here it is, if x power x plus 3, x power x plus 3 is equals to 32. Next, y power y plus 3 is equals to 729. Then we need to find this value. Okay, so first we need to find the values of x and y. So here 32 is there, we can write that one as x power x plus 3 is equals to 32, we can write it as 2 power 5. Okay, 32 we can write it as 2 power 5. Why? Because 2 power 5 value is equals to 32. Now here this one we can write it as y power y plus 3 is equals to 729. If you don't know the value of 729, okay, I mean how to write it in its exponential form, if you don't know that one, then you have to go for that prime factorization method. So this one we will write in the form of 3 powers, as the powers of 3 only here. So that is, how much you will get? Here 3 2 6 and here 12, 3 4s 12, 3 3s 9. Next 3 8s 24, 3 1s 3. Next 3 2 6, 3 7s 21. Next 3 9s 27. Next 3 3s 9 and here 3 1s 3. Is it clear? Now what is that power here? How many times 3 repeated? 3 4 5 6. So 6 times 3 repeated. So that's why here 3 power 6. Now when you observe this one here, x power x plus 3, which means here x value and here x value, those two should be same. Okay, so this value we written in the form of 2 power 5, no? So here what is the value of x? By observing this one we can say that here x is equals to 2. So from this one here we can write it as 2 power 2 plus 3, which is equals to 2 power 5. Is it satisfying or not? This condition is satisfying this one or not? 2 power 2. 2 power 2. X and x, those two are same. So here 2 power 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So here we are getting it as 5. So that is satisfying or not? Satisfying, no? So that's why here from this one x value is equals to 2, we can say that. And in the same way here by seeing we can say that y is equals to 3. Why? Because here we can write this one as 3 power 3 plus 3, which is equals to 3 power 6. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6 only, no? So that's why 3 power 3 plus 3 is equals to 3 power 6. Okay, so from this one here we got that y is equals to 3. Now we got the values of x and y. Now what we have to find out? So here we need to find that x power x plus y into y power x plus y. Okay, so here x is equals to, what is the value of x here? That is 2. So 2 power 2 plus, here y is equals to 3. So plus 3 into y is equals to 3, 3 power 2 plus 3. Okay, so here 2 power 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 into 3 power 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So 2 power 5 into 3 power 5, here no need to simplify that values. Here directly we can apply here one of the law of exponent, that is a power m into b power m is equals to ab whole power m. So ab means here a into b only, no? So by applying that, here this one become as 2 into 3 whole power 5. So here 2 3s 6 whole power 5. Okay, so what is the value here? That is 6 power 5. So which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct here. Okay, so let us see that next one. Here 2 power 100 is equals to x power 25. Then the value of x cube is, so here that value we need to find out. So first thing we need to express this one as 2 power, here how we can write that 100 here? 25 fourths. So we can write this one as 4 into 25. Why? Because here we are having 25, no? That's why I taken here multiple of 25. So x power 25. Again we can write this one as 2 power 4 whole power 25, which is equals to x power 25. So when you observe that here LHS and RHS, those two also having that same exponents, then we have to equate that its bases. So x is equals to here 2 power 4. So which is equals to 2 power 4 value is 16. 2 power 4 value is 16. So from this one x is equals to 16. So x value is equals to 16. Now we have to find that x cube value. Okay, which means the 16 cube value we need to find out. So 16 cube is equals to, if you know the direct answer, then you have to go for that answer. If you don't know that answer, then you have to go for that multiplication. So 16 into 16 into 16. So 16 16, so 256 into 16. Now simplify this. Now, do you know that 16 table now? So directly go for that. 16 into 6 is equals to 96. 16 5 is 80. 80 plus 9 is equals to 89. And right here 8. 16 2 is 32. 32 plus 8 is equals to 40. So what is that resultant here? That is 4096. So which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct. That is 4096. Okay, is it clear to you? Yes. So see the next one. Here it is. P power A plus B is equals to 256 they given. What they given? If P power A plus B is equals to 256 and A is equals to 3B, okay, and P is even prime, then A power 2B value we need to find out. Okay, so what is that question? Once again say that if a P power A plus B is equals to 256, then A is equals to 3B. A is equals to 3B. So first substitute that value here. So this one become as A is equals to 3B, no? So at the place of A, write down that 3B plus B, which is equals to, here they are saying that P is even prime. How many even primes are there we have? Only one even prime is there in all. What is that even prime here? That is 2. So we have to write that 256 as the powers of 2. Okay, that is the meaning of that question. Here we have to write that 256 as the powers of 2. So 2 power 8 value is equals to 256. Yes or no? 2 power 4 is equals to 16. So 16 16s. So 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 is equals to 2 power 4 plus 4, which is equals to 2 power 8. So if you don't know this one, then you have to go for that prime factorization. 256. So here 2 128s, 2 64s, next 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s and 2 1s. So here 2 power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what I written here, 2 power 8. So by simplifying this one, P power 3B plus B is equals to 4B, which is equals to 2 power 8. Already they given here P is equals to 2. In that question only they given, no? So that's why we taken here 2 powers. So that's why P is equals to 2. So that's why here we have to equate that its exponents. So from this one, therefore B is equal, 4B is equals to 8. So B is equals to 8 by 4. So 4 ones, 4 twos. So from this one, B is equals to 2. What is the value here? B is equals to 2. Now we need to find the value of A power 2B. A power 2B. But here we got that B value only. We know that P value. Where is that A value here? A value not there, no? So we have to find that A value here. What they given one condition? A is equals to 3B. A is equals to 3B condition they given, no? So A is equals to 3 into, here B is equals to 2. So substitute that. So here you will get that A is equals to 6. Now we have the values of A and B also. Now find that value here, A power 2B. Okay, so which is equals to 6 power 2 into, here B is equals to 2, no? So 2, which is equals to 6 power 4 value we need to find out. So 6 power 4 value we have to simplify it. So 6 6 36 into 36. Why? Because here this one we can write it as 6 multiplied itself by 4 times. So 6 6 36 and here 6 6 36. Okay, now simplify this. 6 6 36. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 is equals to 21. Again 3 6 are 18, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. So 6 9 2 1, 1 2 9 6. Okay, so which option is correct? Option A is correct. Is it clear to you? So see the next one. Here x is equals to 2 power 75. Next, y is equals to 5 power 50. Okay, then the greater one is, so what they are asking, x is equals to 2 power 75, y is equals to 5 power 50, then the greater one they are asking. So first which value we need to find out? 2 power 75. Is it possible to find the 2 power 75? Okay, it takes that more time, no? And here 5 power 50 is there. So when you observe that 2 and 5, here which one is greater? Yes, by seeing only we can say that here 5 power 5. Just check that 3 values. Here take that 2 cube and here 5 cube. Okay, just compare it. So here 2 cube is equals to 8 and here this is a 5 cube is equals to 125. Next 8 to 16, 125 5 625. Okay, so here its value is increasing or not? Okay, here while you are taking 2 cube and here 5 cube, while you are observing these two, here we can say that 5 cube value is greater. Okay, or else just take that 2 power 6 value and here 5 square value. Just observe these two here. 2 power 6 is equals to 64 and here this is a 5 is 25. Okay, next take that one more value here. This is 2 power 7 is equals to 64 into 2 is equals to 128. Here I am increasing one more, that is 5 cube is equals to 125. Okay, next take that one more. 2 power 8 is equals to, already we compared this one, no? So 2 power 8 is equals to 256 and here 4 power 4 is equals to 4 power 4 is equals to 625. So why I am writing like this means here its power is 8, its power is 4. So when you are observing these two, here its power is greater than the power of 5. Okay, but here which value is more here? 5 powers only, no, getting that more values here. So that's why by seeing only we can say that which one is greater means y is greater. Okay, so let us see that next one. So here 2 power x into a power 1 is equals to 384. Okay, so we need to find that x power 2a value we need to find out. So here 384, how we can write? Just check that, take the prime factorization of 384. 2 19s 38, 2 2s 4 and here 2 9s 18, 2 6 12. Again 2 4s 8 and here 2 8 16. Next 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6, 2 3s, 3 1s. Okay, now here see that this one we can write it as 2 power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we can write this one as 2 power x into a power 1 is equals to 2 power how many times? 3 plus 3 plus 1, 7 times into, we have here another prime number is there, that is 3. So into 3, that is the value of 384, prime factorization. Now when you observe these two here, LHS and RHS, by observing these two we can say that here x is equals to 7 and a is equals to 3. So x is equals to 7, a is equals to 3. Okay, now what we have to find out? X power 2a. So 7 power 2 into a is equals to 3. So which is equals to 7 power 6. Which is equals to 7 power 6. So which option is correct? Yes, option B is correct. So children, up to here cumulative test 1 completed. This is the key for that cumulative test 1. Okay, in that next video we will discuss that the problems from cumulative test 2. Okay.